Hey guys, hope you've been doing well. I want to cut basically straight into the point. It's going to be a very short video. So over the past couple weeks, I've been kind of getting everything like restarted. I had a tummy tuck and I've had a lot of free time. So I've been kind of planning out how to give you the most value possible from hair system journey, sources that can make things cheaper, more easier, all this kind of. Now, what I want to talk about is basically I can get you way cheaper systems than you're probably getting right now. And also I'm updating the kind of like recommended product list, just whittling it down and making it super simple. Now, if you want those things, if you want anything else, I am going to put all of that in the subreddit that I own, which is, if you've used Reddit before, good. You already know how this works. If you haven't, all good. I'm going to teach you. But essentially, Reddit is a website that it's like it has a forum for everything. And I own basically Reddit for hair system. I started this, I created it. We've got 19,000 or 20,000 members now. So it's actually more than my YouTube channel now, which is awesome because like every single day, there's people inside of here that are asking questions, that are trying to figure things out. So literally it's super engaged, right? You can see that like 1 hour ago, 34 minutes. By the way, this is top. So we can actually look at just like recency here. So 19 hours, 18 hours, 19, 1 hour. Like look at how engaged this community is, which is awesome. It's actually grown past anything that I ever kind of thought like we would have for a community. It's become the place where people talk about this stuff. But what I'm going to do is now at the very, very top of the subreddit, and I'm going to teach you how to join it if you don't know how to in a minute. The very top of the subreddit, I have basically a link that you can get really cheap hair systems that I have like a wholesale discount on. It's what I use. It's what I've been buying these systems for people and sending them directly to them in usually 7 to 10 days at the very most. But you can get those cheaper than pretty much anywhere else. It's what I use. So, you know, are they perfect? Are they like best in the world? You know, you're going to be a movie star? No, but they're pretty damn, in my opinion. And also at the top is going to be a recommended product list. And there's going to be a lot of the most frequently asked questions. Like a lot of the conversation around hair systems is moving over into this category just because it's so stinking easy. And you know, it's really cool to see the community being built there and the conversation. So question is, if you don't know how to use Reddit, how do you use Reddit? Like what do you do? Well, what you can do. So let's kind of walk through. If you don't need this, by the way, exit out of this, right? Like this is just for people that don't know how to use Reddit. So I'm going to log out and I'll show you right from the start. So if you just type in reddit.com, what's going to happen is it'll bring you here, but you can follow my link down below. It'll bring you basically to Air System. You'll be able to look here, but you will not be able to comment. You will be not able to join. You need to basically make an account, right? So you'll have to sign up. You can make an account. It's super easy. You can do it with just like an email address, phone number, that kind of stuff. Now, once you do, right, you can see that this is my user account, so you'll find me in there. Once you join, you can join this subreddit, and I recommend hit the notification bell. You can do low or frequent, but do that. Join the actual group here. You'll see a little button that says join. I've already joined. I can't leave it because I'm the mod. I'm the owner of this. But you can scroll through and you can look at other people's posts. You can comment on it. So if I care, right, you know, you can see what question is, right? Just got a new hair system installed a couple hours ago, looking for advice, any tips on what I can do to adjust for a more natural look, right? So this guy is taking a look. You can see what's going on right here. And then you can come down and you can read people's comments. You can read the community comments. It's not about me anymore. You can comment yourself. You know, I could say, blah, 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 you know, looks good. But like I might say to this guy, he has a lot of gray in his beard. I'd be like, you know, maybe we want to go a little bit more gray inside of the hair system. I can also see right here, this is a little bit more diffuse as opposed to a system up top. So maybe a little bit lighter, just things like that. So this is such a great community because it's really like out of my hands. It's out of my hands. You know, I'm not the focal point of this anymore. And you can see here in community highlights, like basically I have a pricing sheet. I can get you these systems cheaper than anybody. So you'll also have the list of products that I put here. Everything is really kind of going on here. So I'm directing all of that because you guys get to direct the flow of energy. I just be a little conduit. But so if you want the product list, if you want cheap systems, if you want to engage, you want help, that's the best. All right. I'm available for like private consults, but most of the time people don't unless they really, really want to talk specific. Hope you're well. Short video. With that being said, see you soon.